In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to budget on QuickBooks. We'll guide you through the whole process in just a few minutes, ensuring that you can manage your finances efficiently with this powerful tool. To get started, open your web browser and navigate to QuickBooks Online. Once there, you'll want to look towards the top right corner of the screen to find the Sign In button. Go ahead and click on that. You'll need to enter your registered email address and your password to proceed. If you happen to have forgotten them, QuickBooks provides options to recover your login details, so don't worry about that. After entering your credentials, click on Sign In to access your QuickBooks account. You'll find yourself on the main dashboard where a host of functionalities are available. The next step is to move to the budget section, which is where all the budgeting magic happens. You'll find it under the main menu or through a direct link call that's highlighted on your screen. Once you're in the budget section, you'll see an option labeled Create Budget. Click on this to initiate the process of setting up a new budget. It's here that you'll decide on the type of budget you wish to create. QuickBooks offers various types depending on your specific needs. Whether it's a monthly, quarterly, or annual budget, you'll select what fits best for you. Click Next once you've made your choice. You'll then be prompted to select a period for your budget, allowing you to specify the time frame that your budgeting efforts will cover. Setting the period correctly ensures that your financial planning is aligned with your business or personal financial cycle. Once this is selected, proceed by clicking on Next again. Now comes the crucial task of adding your budget per category. QuickBooks lets you allocate funds to different categories like office supplies, utilities, marketing, and so forth. This step is essential as it aids in breaking down your spending, thereby giving a clearer overview of where and how your money will be used. Be as detailed as necessary to reflect your anticipated expenses accurately. Finally, you'll want to save your budget to not lose all the progress you've made. Find the Save button, usually located toward the bottom of the screen, and click on it. Once saved, your new budget is ready to be put into action, and that's it. You've successfully created a budget on QuickBooks. Remember to regularly review and adjust it as needed to ensure it remains aligned with your financial goals. Thank you for watching. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to subscribe for more tutorials like this. Happy budgeting!